at the coat hanger family again today. So before we start, we're just going to do a warm-up like we did yesterday. So I'm going to just start and I'm going to draw a coat hanger in a backwards direction, starting in the space between the top solid line and the bottom solid line. So I'm just going to start in the middle and I'm going to go backwards. Can you do 3 more of those, please? Now I'm going to do exactly the same thing, but I'm going to go down to the bottom solid line. So I'm going to start in the middle, my coat hanger shape, and I'm going to go down. Coat hanger shape and down, coat hanger shape and down. Can you do 3 more of those, please? Right, we're going to start today with the letter A or A, and it starts with the coat hanger. So we're just going to practice starting in the space between the top solid line and the bottom solid line, and we're going to do a coat hanger, and we're going to do it a backwards one. Can you do 3 of those, please? Right, now I'm going to go round into the C shape. So I'm going to start with a coat hanger, I'm going to go in the backwards direction, and I'm going to go round, and I'm going to go all the way there. Okay, let me do that again. One more. So I'd like you to do 3 of those, and then I'd like you to put a dot and do your best one, and repeat it. So remember, these need to be more of an oval shape. Now I'm going to go round, I'm going to start my coat hanger shape, I'm going to go round into the C, and then I'm going to go back up and back down to the bottom solid line. So I'm going to start with a coat hanger shape, round into an oval shape, back up and down. Round, back up and down. Can you do 3 of those, please? And to finish off my letter A, I'm going to start with a coat hanger shape in a backwards movement, round, up, down, and I'm going to the northeasterly joining line. Coat hanger shape, round, back up, down, and a northeasterly joining line. Coat hanger shape, back up, down, and a northeasterly joining line. Can you do 3 of those, please? Okay, we're going to move on now to our D or our D, and it starts in exactly the same way. So again, we're just going to practice that coat hanger, going in a backwards motion from in the space between the top solid line and the bottom solid line. Can you do 3 of those, please? Then we're going to go around and form our C shape, starting with a coat hanger, hitting the bottom line. Can you do 3 of those, please? Then we're going to start with our coat hanger into our C shape, then we're going to go all the way up and touch the top solid line. So start with our coat hanger into our C shape, all the way up to the top solid line. Start with our coat hanger into a C shape and up to the top solid line. Can you do 3 of those, please? And can you put a dot under your best one and see if you can try and improve that? The next step is to start with a coat hanger into a C shape all the way up to the top solid line, and then back down to the bottom solid line. Coat hanger, C shape all the way up to the top solid line, and then back down to the bottom solid line. Coat hanger, C shape, back up to the top solid line, and all the way down to the bottom solid line. Can you do 3 more of those, please? going to do exactly the same thing, but this time we're going to add a northeasterly joining line. So we're going to start with a C, all the way round to the top, back down with a northeasterly joining line. Coat hanger, C shape, touch the top solid line, bottom solid line, and a northeasterly joining line. Can you do 3 of those, please?